Hello, groups A and B. For your measurements, okay, you are going to be having 0.1 grams of aluminum. So you're going to put that next to grams of aluminum, 0.1 grams. And for grams of copper sulfate, you are going to have 5.9. So it all totals 6 grams, but you will have 5.9 grams of copper sulfate. I'm going to first pour in our 5.9 grams of copper sulfate. You can see that bright blue color into our salt water. And then I have 0.1 grams of aluminum. I'm going to put the lid on and we will start. Your 0.0 time measurement for degrees Celsius is 17.0. Okay, I'm stirring it around so the reaction can start taking place. 30 seconds in, our temperature is still 17.0 degrees Celsius. One minute in, we are still at 17.0 degrees Celsius. One and a half minutes in, we're up to 18.1 degrees Celsius. Two minutes in, we are at 19.1 degrees Celsius. Two and a half minutes, we are at 21.0 degrees Celsius. Three minutes in, we are at 22.9 degrees Celsius. Three and a half minutes, we're at 25.4 degrees Celsius. Four minutes in, 27.7 degrees Celsius. 4.5 minutes in, we're at 29.2 degrees Celsius. And our final temperature reading is 29.9 degrees Celsius. I want you to take a second here, circle the lowest number that we had, which I believe is our starting temp, and circle the highest number that we have, which I believe is our 5-minute mark. Okay? And now do the highest number, subtract it by the largest. The highest number, subtract it by the lowest number. Okay, and you're going to write that for max temp change, okay, whatever answer you get there. Now, for our observation section, we're going to have observations about the solid collected in the coffee filter and observations about the liquid collected after filtering. So I'm going to take the lid and all of this off. I'm going to pour it into this funnel that has a coffee filter in it and into this container. What the coffee filter is going to do is it's going to take out all the liquid and let it funnel through to this clear cup, and then our solids will stay inside of the coffee filter. I can hear some of the reactions still happening. It's fizzing inside of the coffee filter. I am going to pour some of the liquid back into the cup to get some of the solids that remain on the sides of the cup. What you're able to notice inside of the cup is that we have this reddish brown substance, and then inside of the cup we have like a blue tinted liquid. Okay, we're going to continue filtering until all the liquid has gone down. Okay, and then we're going to look at what is inside of our coffee filter first. Okay, so inside of our coffee filter, we're definitely noticing the brownish colored substance, but if we look, we can also see that there's some silver in there. There's a piece. And you can see it reacting. And that's producing some gas. And then we notice our liquid. And it has this bluish tint to it. That's the wrong way. Sorry if I was upside down. Okay, so write down the observations that you have from both what is inside the coffee filter and what is inside the liquid.